everyone, this is Juhi Pandey on behalf of Sanford Genesis School. Today I am representing a beautiful model which is based on sentence formation. With the help of this model, we would be able to understand what is sentence and how to form a sentence in easy way. Okay, first of all, you all know that what is sentence. Sentence, for example, if we write Ram, Ram is a what? Is also a what? A boy. I have write so many words here. Ram is a boy. But when you read it, it gives you complete sense. Ram एक लड़का है. But suppose if I write Ram boy is. There is also so many words, but you couldn't find any meaning. Okay, so we can say that group of words which gives you complete sense is called sentence. Understand? वो ग्रुपिंग वर्ड की जिससे हमें कंप्लीट सेंस मिलती हो, जो कंप्लीट मीनिंग बताता हो, हम सिर्फ उसे ही क्या कह सकते हैं? सेंटेंस कह सकते हैं. So come now we will see how many words are there in sentence formation. This is basic structure of sentence formation. आप सेंटेंस किसी बुक से भी पढ़ लेंगे, सीख लेंगे, but with the help of this module you will do practical, and we are focusing in practical education rather than theoretical. Okay, that is why we have created these modules. So let's see. First we add subject, then helping verb, and then main verb. You all are known about the main verb. Main verb means which action is performed. जो action हम करते हैं, for example now I am teaching you, then teaching is an action word. Okay, and the helping verb tells us about the time. वो action हमने कब perform किया है वो हमें किससे पता चलेगा? With the help of helping verb. Now we will come to subject. Subject क्या होता है? Whatever happens that is performed by any noun, pronoun, that is called subject. For example, I am teaching you. Who is teaching you? Answer will be I. Then I will be subject here. For example, I have written so many subjects. For example, he means verb. We means हम लोग. C, used for feminine gender. They means they look. This is plural pronoun. With the help of subject, we will also use many helping verb. Helping verb change according to the subject. Suppose if we use singular subject, we will add there singular helping verb. If we add he, there we will use is. If we use we know that we is plural, that is why we will use there are. So let's see how it works. At the place of subject, we will add he. What we will add? Helping verb. I have earlier told you that with the help of with he, we use is. Subject and helping verb both should be singular or plural. So he is playing. You can see how easily we have make a sentence using these three words. He is playing. We can change our example by sliding this. He is reading. Move to next example. He is dancing. You can see without using any pen, paper, we have created so many examples related sentence formation. We can change subject here also. Now we will add we. If we have changed subject, we will also change helping verb. We will go with are. Now we have changed it. We are dancing. reading. We are playing. I hope you all will able to understand, able to define sentence, and you will recall so many examples with the help of these modules. You can change subject, you can add. See also, if we are talking about any feminine gender, we will use she, and with she we will add helping verb is both are singular. We can add so many examples with these modules. So I hope this will be very useful for you, and if you like it, please share to all the children. They will make it and practice it. Thank you.